The NearShore Company is two companies in one. There's a manufacturing area that we have here, and there's also the service sector, which is the larger component of the operation that we engage with the customer in a variety of ways. And that complexity and the merging and blending of those two sectors is what really makes us unique. In other words, we understand the needs of the customers, but we also understand manufacturing and how to best apply them and help them be successful.
When our customers decide to move their operations, their production to Mexico, what they gain is that they can access a very talented, hardworking, and large pool of people who are looking to do the jobs that these companies need them to do. We are solving problems. One is that oftentimes our customers are not able to find the people that they need to do the work in order to produce. And fortunately, here in Mexico, we do have a very deep pool of people who are skilled, talented, hardworking, honest, that are very eager to take on those jobs and to satisfy that need.